How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Myself Meera Panchal and today we are going to make piggy bank. Do you know what is piggy bank? Piggy bank is a traditional name of a coin container normally used by children to save money. आप भी पिगी बैंक में पैसे जमा कर सकते हो। जब आपको आपके घर के बड़े लोग या आपके मम्मी पापा पैसे देते हैं, वो आप अपने पिगी बैंक में जमा कर सकते हो। और जब आपको अपनी फेवरेट चीज खरीदनी हो, तब आप अपने पिगी बैंक से पैसे निकालकर अपनी फेवरेट चीज खरीद सकते हो। My dear friends, do you have a piggy bank? If yes, then good. And if not, then let's make one today. For that we require crepe paper, thermocol ball, green color, brush, glue stick, black sketch pen, cutter, and parents, get this type of cutouts ready for this activity. Take one thermocol ball and color it with the help of brush. Now take these cutouts and with the help of glue stick paste it like this. Take green color crepe paper and tear it like this. Now we are ready with the cutouts of crepe papers. Apply glue on thermocol ball. And paste pieces of crepe paper one by one close to each other. With the help of glue stick, paste this thermocol ball on it. paste these two circles like this. With the help of black sketch pen, make eyes and smiley. Our piggy bank is ready. Now take some coins and slowly put them in the piggy bank. I hope you all enjoyed today's activity. Stay safe and be healthy. Take care. Bye.